back over in Saratoga with my listing of this beautiful Renown that is still for sale. It is a specialty home. There isn't one like it in this entire community. It's got a swimming pool, it's on the golf course, and it's really beautifully landscaped. And I'm gonna put at the end of this video all the great features that they put in the home when they built it and what they put in aftermarket. I also want to come over here and take a look and do a little video because they have since moved out and it's empty and I want to go see what it looks like. So come on in. I can't say enough about this beautiful Renown. Every time I come here, I just love it more and more every time. This is an upscale luxury home. There is no other home in Stone Creek that I can find like it. It's only a year old. The pool's so inviting. I would love to get in right now. It's been exceptionally hot here in Florida the last few days. But just look at this view. It is on the golf course. When the rains start coming, the grass will green up a little bit, but it is a beautiful view. It's very quiet out here. I just love how beautiful. And getting that island kitchen, this is a great home for entertaining. So again, this is a Renown with a beautiful pool. I'm gonna put at the end what it would probably cost you to build this home now versus than what it was almost 2 years ago when they started to build. Anyway, thank you for joining me today at Della's Corner. Please give me a call if you have any questions about any homes, whether it's pre-owned or new build. I like to say I am your 55 community specialist. That's all I do is 55 plus, and I'm gonna be your neighbor. Anyway, thanks everybody. Happy 4th.